Hello friends, in this session we will start the Python basics. So to start any programming language basic, the first thing we should talk about the data types. Okay, so here data types, basically primitive data types. So if you are from any other programming languages like C, uh, Java, any programming language, so hope you know what is the integer, string, boolean. So in Python programming language there is three basic data types, three primitive data types. The first one, numbers. Okay, the second, string, and the third is boolean. Okay, so let's take some example. A is equal to 11. So what is A here? A is a variable, is equal to is assignment operator, and 11 is constant value, data value. So we are assigning 11 to the variable A. Okay, now if I want to check the type of A, okay, so you can see here it tells me the data type of variable A, which is integer. Okay, now let's do it 11.4. now execute it again. So to execute any cell in Jupyter notebook, the command is shift enter. Okay, so now you can see the type is float. So in number data types we have two types, integer, which is int, and float, which is float. Okay, now let's come to the next. Here I do the B in double quotes or single quote. I write the some name, Prakash. Okay, now I want to check the type of variable B. So this is str. Okay, so the next data type is string, which give us str. Okay, now let's come to the next. C is equal to true. Here notice the T is capital of true. Okay, D is equal to false, and F is capital. Okay, check the type of C, shift enter, boolean. Check the type of D, shift enter, boolean. So what it returns is bool. Okay, now in Python you need not to specify data type. So when you are making you are assigning any data value to variable, you need not to specify the data type of that variable. Python rectify the data type on basis of what data you pass to the variable. Okay, and this type is inbuilt function in Python. Okay, which displays data type assigned to the variable, which is place data type assigned to the variable. That's it guys. In primitive data types in Python we have only these three types, and in next class we will learn the next topic, which is typecasting. Okay, so hope you like this session. Subscribe my channel and like this video, and I will keep giving you more tutorials like this. Okay, thank you guys.